In this video, you'll learn how to disconnect Zoom from your Calendly account. By following these steps, you will successfully remove the integration between these two services. Begin by navigating to the Calendly website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard, which is the main interface for managing your scheduling preferences. From the left sidebar of your dashboard, locate and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This section allows you to manage your connected applications and integrations. After clicking, you will be taken to a new screen that displays all the integrations currently connected to your Calendly account. Next, look for Zoom in the list of connected apps. You may need to scroll down if you have multiple integrations. Once you find Zoom, click on it to access the settings related to this integration. This action will open a detailed view of the Zoom connection. In this detailed view, you will see an option to disconnect or remove connection. Click on this option to initiate the disconnection process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to disconnect Zoom from Calendly. It is important to read this prompt carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm the disconnection, keep in mind that Zoom will no longer create meeting links automatically for new bookings. However, any meetings that were already scheduled will retain their Zoom links. If you need to adjust the meeting location for future bookings, navigate to their scheduling section, then open event types. Select the event you wish to edit and click edit. In the edit mode, go to the location section. Here you can select another meeting option such as Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, phone call, or a custom location. After making your selection, be sure to click Save to apply the changes. Your Zoom account is now fully disconnected from Calendly.